Rich Dad Poor Dad is Robert Kiyosaki's best-selling book. In this book, he talks about how to use money as a tool to get rich and different mindset of poor and rich people. He also breaks down some of his life experiences to make you more financially literate. So let's dive in. Robert says he has two dads. One, his real dad, whom he refers to as Poor Dad, and the other, his best friend Mike's dad, whom he refers to as Rich Dad. His poor dad was highly educated and intelligent. He believed in studying hard and getting good grades and then finding a well-paying job. Yet, with seemingly positive attributes, poor dad was struggling financially. Rich dad, on the other hand, believed in financial education, learning how to make money work for us, in which school unfortunately can't help you. He wasn't rich before, but he eventually became one of the richest people in Hawaii by using the power of financial education. Both rich and poor dad having entirely opposite mindsets. Like when poor dad says, learn to work, rich dad says, work to learn. Poor dad says, work for money, and rich dad says, make money work for you. Poor dad says, don't take risks, and rich dad says, learn how to manage risks. Having these contrasting opinions gave him an interesting opportunity to think and find his own way. He asks both of them to tell him how to become rich. Poor dad said, use your own head, while rich dad, who wasn't yet rich, started mentoring both Robert and his best friend Mike. After learning from rich dad, Robert understood that it's fear and doubt and negative affirmations which pulls us back from getting rich. The fear of getting fired, of not having enough money, and not having great life. If we want to get rich, we should buy more assets and try not to spend money on liabilities and have the mindset of rich people. Now, what's asset and liabilities? I have got it covered. Assets are something which generate money for you passively. In other words, it gets you money even when you aren't working. For example, stocks, bonds, etc. Rich Dad used to say that assets are not words but numbers, and accounting is not about numbers but what the numbers are telling you. If you want to be rich, you have to learn to read and understand what numbers are saying. On the other hand, liabilities are those which keeps on taking money from you. For example, your house, your car, your phone, etc. And knowing how to spend money so that you get even more money from it is termed as financial education. It plays a crucial role in lives of rich people, but unfortunately, you can't learn that in school. Trust me when I say it. It's the habit that makes rich people even richer. When they have money, they would spend it on adding more and more to the assets and paying the bills later, which in turn adds more money. On the other hand, people who have financial problems spend more on their liabilities. When you invest your money in assets, you get more without putting efforts, and you will get money from the work you do as well. Both now combined would give you even more money, and now an opportunity to earn even more and get rich. This doesn't mean you can't go to trips, parties, or have fun, but in order to have these luxuries, you should make your asset column stronger by adding money you earn so that you can have all these luxuries. Having these fundamentals clear would help you to get what you are seeking for. So, all the best.